the third attempt to rescue the little bird. She keeps coming down. When Sadie's here, I gotta get Sadie out of here. I know, Sadie, I need you to get out though. You know what? You're gonna have to come. I know. We gotta get her out of there. Okay, come here. Sadie. Where is she? There she is. I see her. I see her. We gotta get her out, honey. Will you come with me? Come here. Come here.